Hello, namaste, assalamu alaikum, buenos dias, ciao, bonjour to everyone. I am here to briefly explain how to find your favorite aviation videos, destination videos, cruise ship videos, time-lapse videos and other types of videos on the John from Queens YouTube channels. Let's go to the famous John from Queens YouTube channel first to demonstrate. Type in your internet browser on top youtube.com/jonfromqueens exactly as shown. Then, go to the channel search box, not the YouTube search box, and type in specifically what you are looking for also as shown. After typing the name, hit enter and the search results will be displayed. You can then scroll down and see many dozens or hundreds of videos related to the name you searched for. You can also search with other keywords such as planes, Airbus, Boeing, 747, time-lapse, moon, helicopter, JetBlue, American Airlines, Emirates, Air Force One, President, India, Cruise, MSC, Carnival, Trinidad, Casino, Subway, Amtrak, John from Queens, Moon, Luna Eclipse, Florida, India, Italy, etc. Now if you are interested in Caribbean music-based content, especially Chutney soca singers' music videos, live shows, behind-the-scenes footage, community service shows, Trinidad and Trinidad Carnival videos, just go to the sister channel John from Queens 3 spelled John from Queens with a 3 at the end, and follow the same procedure as shown in the beginning of this video. I hope I have helped shed some light on making the most of the John from Queens YouTube channels. And please kindly spread the word to your family, friends, neighbors, co-workers and even your enemies about all John from Queens social media. Thanks for your continued support, as it is very much appreciated. Have a blessed day.